Hello everyone. So you want to know how to remove this small icon with the two squares or the visualize activities icon in Windows 11. How to do it? Well, it is pretty easy. All you have to do is right click on an empty space in your taskbar or this bar below and click here where there is the settings icon. Once you do it, a window will pop out. I'm not showing the full window because since I did the login with my Windows account, there is my email showing, so I'd like it to remain private, but everything you need is here. This is the icon that you want to hide, and so you click here, and once we do it, this icon will disappear. So let's do it. And here we go. The icon is now gone, and we can continue to use it, and we can continue to use our Windows 11 without that damn icon. So I hope you liked this video, you found it useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.